very windy. And it looks like it's going to storm any minute, guys. She's waiting for the guy to get back to get this boat. Trailer's in. That's the courthouse in the background back there. See, this parking lot's pretty good. Yep. Trailer coming in to get this bass boat right here. I heard him start it back there. All right. Bring it in, Big Daddy. Boy, I hope you can hear me all right. That wind's really kicking here. All right, bring it on in there, Big Daddy. Bass boat's coming around. I think this is Lake Tavares is what they call this lake. It's the one down by the courthouse. Excuse me. It's okay. It's usually really busy down here. Yeah.
Having fun yet?
Yeah, trying. I guess he's about ready to hit the dock. I didn't even see it. Oh yeah. Oh wow, look at these fish. Nice, nice. Very nice. Very nice. Very nice. Well guys, I don't know what you'll think about this, guys, but we're in it, that's for sure. Well, they're working on trying to get this up here. That's kind of like what they do at the Ed Stone boat ramp. They walk it up on the trailer. We went over to Mount Dore, but the Mount Dore boat ramp was closed. That kind of surprised me, because it's been a week after, more than a week after the hurricane. Okay, move out of the way here.
That feels like a lot of fish. A lot of water. Oh, okay.
that wind. Hope you can hear me. That wind.
More than it was.
All right. Think they got it, guys. Rope out.
Pull up a little bit.
Pulling up.
$40. Let me bring this thing. Watch the
The
end.
trailer in. Let's do this. Guess I'm zoomed all the way out, guys. Right here, baby. Nice boat. Hurricane. Oh, yeah, hurricane. That's what we need. Another one. Another hurricane boat. Oh, yeah. Stay out, guys. Stay on out of here, guys. Another trailer in.
What are you photographing? Is everybody putting in and out?
Yeah, it's just, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Trailer in, guys. Trailer in. All right. Oh yeah. Very cool.
Right, okay?
Oh yeah. Yeah.
On the floor.
Just a little bit here.
Okay.
Wow. Cool. Cool.
Sure. Okay. This trailer feels strange to me.
Good job, man. Good job. Good job.
That's pretty much it.
Hit it again. And one more time. Got it.
We good?
We're good. Yeah, Chin up enough. Yeah, that's good.
Is that like 50?
Wow, what a nice boat there. Look at those colors on that thing. Oh, guys. Sorry. Okay. Another car in. Get this boat here. Let me try something a little bit different with this one, guys. Let me try to go out on the dock. It might be a little more rough. I think it'll be a different angle. You might like that. See what happens. Boy, that wind's really blowing. Still doing the weigh-in over there. I'm not sure what you can see or what's going on or anything. I really don't know why Mount Dora would be closed. It's like a week after the hurricane and they closed it. I think the tournament's about over here. Guy behind us trying to get his boat.
Gentlemen, be safe.
Yeah, I think they're about done, guys.
Not going to court.
Guy's moved his truck 3 times. Now he's going to move it again. We put one of his bass boats out there, huh? This is the downtown Tavares Marina. They got all kinds of boat slips over there. The tiki bar thing over there. That plane took off over there a few minutes ago. And they got this big boat there sitting in there. I think they use that as like a dinner cruise. It says Dora Queen is what it says there on the side. So guy just got in the bass boat out there, so I guess he'll be headed for it. All right, let's see if we can reposition here, see what we can do. Look at that grass down in there. That's what can be transferred from one lake to the other. Wow. Let's see what happens. Now we're gonna see, we're rocking around. That's that dock we're on. I think this might be pretty good here. You got it. Wow. Well, this is a different adventure, that's for sure, guys. I remember last time the hurricane came through, it took just about 2 months before they opened Edstone back up. So I don't know how long it will be this time, but I don't know how long it will be this time, but we'll find out, I guess, guys. And I remember it was just before Christmas they opened it back up a couple years ago. That they started doing their Christmas decorations of their boats and stuff. Well, the tournament's over. Everybody's gone over there. Wow, and the parking lot's about empty too. Okay. This guy here's coming in. One more bass boat back here behind us. Oh yeah. Take it home, Big Daddy. Take it home. All right, here comes this guy to get his boat here. ProCraft. I hear the party going on downtown, guys. I'm not sure what all is happening over there, but there was boats going in. They were ignoring the sign, but they were going in over there. All right. That wind. Nice boat. Suzuki motor. A 150. Uh-oh. Well, I'm not sure what's happening here. What's that? Yeah, just try maybe. I don't know. Something happens. Yeah, I watch that. It's pretty crazy. America's funniest videos, yeah. That's what that guy back there is talking about. If I was going to send this in to them. Boy, I hope this dock rocking around isn't... You're not seeing that a whole lot. Got a pontoon sliding in out there. All right, here he comes, guys. Bringing it in there, Big Daddy. Get it, Big Daddy. All right, stay out of here. Bye-bye. Boy, I hope that camera, I'm like rocking 3 different directions here. Okay, they made it over there. They got a pontoon boat that just docked over there, and well, here he comes, I guess. Boy, stock's rocking everywhere. All right, they're going to go get that trailer. He'll be bringing that over here. Yeah. trailer coming in.
Yeah, let me get up on here first.
That's one way to get it. A goose. Yeah, I think they got it there, guys. Down out. Oh yeah. These guys are out. Everybody's about gone there. In the parking lot, everybody's about gone. The day's coming to an end here, guys. This is Saturday afternoon. How's that party going on over there? I guess we'll call it a day here. We'll go down and check out that other boat ramp, see what's happening over there.